Hi guys, welcome to Web3 School. Today we are going to talk about hash functions. Hash functions are the core of cryptography and blockchain as we know them today. But first, let's understand what a function is. Let's say x plus y equal to 5. So based on the above expression, we know that no matter what x and y are, their sum has to be equal to 5. So let's say if x is 2 and y is 3, or if x is 4, then y has to be 1, and so on. So a hash function in a similar manner will have some inputs and some output. So a hash function in the context of blockchain cryptography takes an input of any length and converts it into a fixed length output. One more important thing is that a hash function is a one-way function. That means an input string can be used to derive an output but not the other way around. So when it comes to blockchain transaction signatures, it means a private key can be passed through a hash function to derive a public key of a wallet. But a public key cannot be used to find the private key, hence one-way function. Bitcoin uses an algorithm called Secure Hash Algorithm 256 or SHA-256 algorithm, which was developed by the National Security Agency of America in 2001. And Ethereum uses something called as Kcheck 256, which is kind of similar to SHA-256. Hash functions are extremely secure, and an algorithm of the nature of SHA-256 is practically impossible to crack, especially when used in blockchain. We hope this quick lesson helped you understand yet another piece of the puzzle that blockchain and cryptography is. See you next time. Till then, stay tuned.